Wow, just like that. It's raining. It's been raining all night. There sure isn't anything on there. Wow. This is interesting, eh? Well, I'm gonna run down to meet them, but it's just gonna be the engines. All right, catch you at the Ford switch. Shoot, I don't know if it's on or not. I'm just hoping and praying it's on. That was going to be some of the best shots ever. Oh my goodness. Oh, everything is getting drenched. Come out a little bit. Have everything loosened up from moving, just winging it here. No chance at all for setup. It's okay, we can deal with that. So this is Nancy. The engines are on their way home. Just came in half an hour ago maybe. Picked up the empties and are on the way back already. Did not bring a single car in. I'm lucky the rain is not coming at my camera like it was when I was at the bottom of the hill. think I'm going to head up to Herman. What the heck, eh? Okay, I'll see you in Herman. Good morning. We are in Herman, and it is raining. It has been raining without stopping all morning, all night. We're supposed to get a break sometime today, but it's not going to help me any. So anyhow, I can hear those engines. They're coming. Hopefully they get here before my lens gets wet. Because I have nothing to dry it with. Everything I have is damp. Okay, they're closed. Here they come. There's the bell. Short and sweet, eh? Okay, thanks for joining me in Herman at the Railroad Boarding House, the DSS&A Railroad Boarding House. Till we meet again, see you trackside.